Hello friends, welcome back to Cad practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll start from the exit plane, rotate the view. Here take the rectangle command, take 2-point center rectangle. From the center point, make the rectangle. Go to dimension, define the width here as 160 mm and define this as 70 mm. Go to finish sketch. Here we are going to take the extrude command and take extrude of 20 mm and press OK. Now go to origin. Here we are going to select the XY plane. Go to create sketch. Take the rectangle command once again. Take 2-point rectangle and make here a rectangle profile. Go to dimension. Define the height here as 30 mm and the width of 60 mm. Okay. Now here go to vertical constraint. Select the center point of this rectangle and select the yellow point. Okay. Now this is fully constrained. Finish sketch. Take extrude. Here we will take symmetric and here we are going to extrude it up to 90 mm. Okay. It will be little bit outside and press OK. Now here go to part 3. We have constructed this base and this base. Now we are going to make the cutting profiles. Okay. We'll start from this profile. Go to part 1. Select this face. Go to create sketch. Here take the rectangle command. Take 2-point rectangle. Make a rectangle profile here. Go to dimension. Define the width of 40 mm and the height here of 20 mm. Now again take the vertical constraint, select this center point and select this point. Okay. Go to 3D model, take extrude. Here flip the direction to cut and take here distances all. So this will be a through cut. Press OK. Now select this face, go to create sketch, rotate the view. Here go to circle command and from the center point make a circle of diameter 80. Okay. Finish sketch. Take here extrude and here we will take join command. We'll take extrude of height 40 mm. Okay. And press OK. Now here we are going to make the cutting profiles. Select this face, go to create sketch, rotate the view. Here take the rectangle command and take 2-point center rectangle. From this center point make a rectangle profile. Go to dimension, define this as 110. Okay. And define this as 40 mm. Now escape. Now I want this profile to be in construction, so I'll select all the profiles and click here construction geometry. Okay, so this will be a reference geometry. Take the circle command. From the center point make circle here of diameter 20. Similarly these all will be of same dia, so we are making random circles. Okay, now escape. Now here we'll click on equal constraint, select this circle, press Ctrl, select all the other circles. Okay. Now go to rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle and make the rectangle profile here. Okay, up to this center. Go to dimension, define the width here as 10 mm. Okay. Similarly we will do with the other side, this side also. Go to rectangle, take 2-point rectangle, start from here and add up to here. Go to dimension, define it as 10 mm. Okay. Now go to horizontal constraint, select the center and select this center. So now select this center and here select this. Okay, it is selecting the center of this. Select this and select this. Okay, now escape. Now here, if you drag this, it is having a movement. So go to coincident constraint, select this point and select the center point. Okay, select this and select this. Okay, it is not taking. Select this line and select this point. Okay, finish sketch, take extrude, select all the profiles. Here you can see this profile is like key shape and this is a circular profile, and here take direction 2. So this will be cutting profile. Distance we have taken 40 mm and press OK. Now select this face, go to create sketch, take point command and place a point at the center and finish sketch. This we are doing to construct a whole profile. Now go to whole command. Here we'll take a sheet of counter bore and hole will be simple hole. This will be a through profile and direction will be one side. The C bore dia here will be of 60. Depth of C bore will be 15 mm and the bottom dia will be 30 dia. Okay. Now press OK. Now go to home. Now go to part 3. Here we have constructed this. When I rotate this profile, we have a rip profile over here. So go to part 1. Rotate the profile. Here select the XY plane. Go to create sketch. Take the line command. Click on this edge and place it over here. Go to dimension. Select this point. Select this bottom. Define it as 50 mm. Okay, and escape. Select this, make it construction. Select this, make it construction. Rotate and select this yellow line, make it construction. Okay, only this rip profile will be in solid. Finish sketch. Here take the rip command, so it will automatically select this profile. Click here parallel to sketch plane, so it will generate the rip. Now it will ask you the thickness. We will take 10 mm. You have taken here symmetric. If you take this side, so the rib will move this side. You take this, rib move all that side. We have taken symmetric and press OK. Okay. Now here go to defaults. I have taken here the cyan color. Click on cyan. Okay. So this will be the final output. Okay. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do it, like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.